Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to keep it pretty simple. I just did an eye tutorial with the look that I have on my eye right now. For this look, I used the Smashbox Vlada Petal Metal eyeshadow palette. It's really cute. It's got this rose gold packaging. I know it's not new. It's just something that I had in my collection, but I haven't used it in a while and I really like it. This is actually a really cool little palette. When you open it up, there is a mirror. And then there are these 8 stunning colors. So there's 2 matte shades, this dark brown matte, there's this light brown matte, and then the rest of these are shimmery. This eyeshadow palette is a lot of fun. I was looking online to see where it's still being sold. So this little palette, if you do want to go ahead and get it, is being sold at Ulta. I didn't find it on the Sephora website, but Ulta has it for $29. This was actually one of the palettes that I traveled with a couple months ago, and I like them because the little Smashbox palettes, they're fairly small in diameter and width, and they fit great into a little makeup bag. So since we're focusing on the eyes, you know I already primed my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. This is my tried and true. I like it because it doesn't crease and it stays put. So this is kind of neutral, but let's just jump into this eye look. I am going to use the lightest matte shade. For this light matte shade, I'm going to put it in my crease as well as the outside V, just to give us a base color, because there aren't a lot of matte colors in this little palette. And for this, I'm just using a fluffy crease brush from Morphe. For the center of the eye, I'm going to use this Satin Sheen brown color. I'm going to use my finger and place this in the center. It is super smooth. For the inside corner, I'm going to use this shimmery champagne color. I'm going to use my pinky and pop that on the inside corner. These shimmery colors are super buttery and easy to work with. I'm going to see if I can define it a little bit with the brush. I'm going to go back in with that light brown matte shade and fluff that into the crease to diffuse some of that shimmer. Alright, now in that outside V, I'm going to take that dark brown matte shade and I'm going to blend it into that outside corner. To lighten up the inside corner, I took that light champagne shimmer at the top and just pressed it on top, and it actually made it more of a light pinky color versus that reddish color. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe brush I used with the light brown matte. I'm not gonna put any more product on it. I'm just gonna fluff out my crease just to make sure everything has blended together and kind of diffuse any harsh edges. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, I've got my eyeliner and mascara on, and that completes this look. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to click the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as click the bell icon next to it for notifications of new videos, which go out Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And until next time, you guys, bye.